Hi, I'm Jaanus. Let's talk about Supertabs. Here are the two concepts that my design is built on. The first concept is the relative importance of tabs. The common approach these days is that the tabs always look and behave the same relative to one another, and the design question we're trying to answer is how to manage a large number of otherwise similar tabs. But that's not how people use the internet. Web use follows a long tail pattern. There's a set of core sites, about 10, that we visit very often. And then there's what I call everything else. These are random links that we get from friends, or searches for some keywords. They come and go. So, all sites are not equal, and all tabs should not be equal. The second part of my concept is about the visual identity of sites. These days we are using two solutions. One is a tiny 16 by 16 favicon, the other is a thumbnail of the site. I don't think either of these is really great. Can you recognize these sites? Maybe you could, but how about I instead show you these icons? So, let's take these two concepts, that all tabs are not equal and that all sites should have a richer visual representation, and let's look at Supertabs. Here's a typical browser window for Firefox and Internet Explorer, with address bar, search, tabs and everything else. And here's Chrome and Opera, with tabs on top. And here is Supertabs. You'll notice a few things. There are two sets of tabs. On the left you have your Supertabs. These are the most important sites and applications that you visit daily. On the right you have your regular tabs, which look and work very much like today's tabs. You'll notice that there is a border between the Supertabs and regular tabs. This is mainly to help the user distinguish between the two categories. By adding a site or application to Supertabs, I say to both myself and the browser, this destination is extremely important to me. Two more things about the Supertabs. First, we can imagine the Supertabs having additional capabilities compared to regular tabs. They can show me notification badges or display me notifications, or they can have shortcuts so that I can start some activities directly from the Supertab icon without having to switch to the tab first. Supertabs also act as groups for all pages from the same domain. Second, Supertabs help with another unsolved problem with the internet, which is security and phishing. These days it is difficult to tell a real site from a fake one just by looking at it. You have to study the URL in detail, which is a difficult forensics task. Instead, it is easier to rely on Supertabs for security and never access sensitive applications through a regular tab. Many internet users who only visit a limited set of sites may only use Supertabs and not even open any regular tab on their own. So that was Supertabs. To sum up the two key ideas again, all tabs are not the same and sites need richer, bigger icons. Thanks for watching.